Hey guys, welcome. It's the girl Juliana vlog. Thank you so much for being here. I really do appreciate each and every person that is here with me, who has been there with me, watching my videos, sharing my videos out. I want to say much love and respect to Cheyenne for always being there for me. Much love and respect to Jamaica YouTube TV for always watching the video, for always sharing the video out. And I just want to say much love and respect to Cooking with Nicole. She's always there watching the video and all of that. Guys, I want you to go over to their channel, check out their channel. Remember, whatever you do, put God first, because God is the head of our life, and without God we are nothing. Okay, it doesn't matter what you're going through, just know that God loves you. And you may be posting videos, you may not be getting the views as you should, you may not be making the revenue as you should, but know that one day that you will definitely make it. Just put in the hard work and know that at the end of the day you will get an income from it. It may not be today, it may not be tomorrow, but somewhere down the line you will definitely make something from it. And I remember days when I feel like give up. I remember days when I only have like maybe 10 views, 20 views, until it moved from 20 to 30, then it moved from 30 going up, and it's constantly going up, guys. But sometimes it's not every day it's gonna be the same way. Sometimes you post a content and you're saying to yourself that this content is not gonna go anywhere, but to your surprise, somebody see your content and they love your content, and they decided that, hey, I'm gonna subscribe to this channel because of what I see there. So just know that put in your hard work, one day it will pay off, and God will send the right contact that you need to have in your circle. So stay blessed, guys. Put God first and ensure that you have the right people in your circle, because sometimes you have the wrong people in your corner, and it tend to drain you, because if you don't have somebody who can motivate you, then you won't make it. On this YouTube platform, it's a very difficult. I'm not gonna say it's easy, because there are days that gonna become that you don't feel like posting any video, you don't feel like even watching anything, you don't feel like doing nothing. So what you do, when you do have the energy and you do get the extra time, create at least 2 or 3 videos per day if you are able to do so, and watch how things work out. So just in case the days that may come you don't feel like posting any video at all, you have something that you can release out to the public. So I would say to everybody, create contents and have them stored in your phone, so when you're ready you can just edit it and put it up, or you can edit it and put it up in private, and when you're ready to release it to the public, then you can go ahead and release it. Because I would tell everybody, say, post content every single day. Don't let a day pass that you don't post, because the more you post it, the better it is for you. That's how I see it, and it has been working for me so far, and I would encourage you guys to follow and do the same thing. Post content every single day and watch for a month. Post if it's even for 2 months, and watch and see what's the difference with your channel. And post if it's for instance, I post video every single day, 8:30 p.m. I post a content. So make a specific time and post the video and watch and see how things work out. If it doesn't work for you, then you can try something else. There's a lot of things that you can do on YouTube that you love, and I am sure if you are a lover of YouTube like myself, I do love YouTube. I am on YouTube. I watch everything on YouTube. So if you love YouTube, you can find something, some encouraging word that you can encourage somebody, and you can motivate somebody. If it's even by doing hair, if it's even by doing nail, if it's even by telling a story what you have been through, that's something that somebody can be motivated from. So I'll definitely see you guys in a different video. Bye guys, have a wonderful day. Please remember to like, to comment, subscribe, and share the contents out. Have a wonderful day, guys. Yes guys, so this will be my breakfast. Cucumber. So that's my breakfast for the morning.
Hello? 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 How are you? Lionel! Lagi may gunting na ada na walk floor. How are you? Yeah, you could say I'm married on one. Take a glass plate and go down with dinner. When I'm up with them, they can take two. You want blood? Yes, when it rains, it pours. Yes, I rain done cooling, you know. I can't go down this window, I have to do. Alright, you know. Yeah.
trying to lose weight, guys, so I'm having this for breakfast.
Shut up. Yeah.
Hmm? Mm-mm. Very nice and refreshing, guys. So this I'm only. Bye, guys.